It's the biggest wipeout since 2020.
That's right. Let's bring in Antwan Lewis, who's been monitoring the market all day. And Antwan, fears of a recession tonight.
Very real fears, Natasha and Steve. Good evening. And I just want to start this report by saying I'm just a messenger here, but a lot to tell you about in regards to this. But the market, as you mentioned, closing down, and we want to break that down for you. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping 1679, nearly 1,700 points. The S&P 500 fell 4.8 today, and the Nasdaq Composite sank 6%. Virtually every sector suffering big losses Thursday. Airlines, tech companies, retailers, and banks were among the hardest industries hit. Now, it was the biggest one-day sell-off for the U.S. financial markets since COVID-19 crippled the global economy back in 2020. The president saying that these reciprocal taxes he's planning will level the playing field with America's trade partners, whom he feels have been taking advantage of the country for decades. Mr. Trump also expects that this will create manufacturing jobs and basically reshape the U.S. economy long term. But short-term implications were also reflected by Wall Street today, particularly portfolios of those who are just about ready to retire.
If they've seen their stock portfolio drop by 10, 15%, that is a considerable amount of potential income that now may be off the table. It's reducing what they can use to support themselves. And that might push people to work a little longer or to pick up part-time jobs. And some people, whether they need to or not, may feel it's necessary. They may just need that confidence boost to do that. And that's a shame.
And that is the sentiment being reflected by a lot of financial experts, a lot of planners. The White House reacting to the markets just a short time ago. The president saying that sell-offs happen, but he expects a reset and an eventual, in his words, boom. That's an optimism that's not being shared by many at the moment, though. Just to let you know.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Antwan.